He's a little guy, but I'll try for him. Oh, a bigger one ahead of him.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh no! Oh, I got him around it. Oh no! Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for another episode of TNT Epic Adventures. So this is our second day of our trip with skitty fishing here, and I didn't mention it yesterday, but everyone go follow him. He's one of the reasons I'm doing this, and it's because he makes videos that are so simple for beginners, and experts can still learn stuff from him. So make sure you go follow him. I'll put some links to his videos in the description. We're here at the same creek as the last video, but we're a little lower in the system. As you can see, there's not so much snow around, and we're gonna see how high up we can get today. We have all day today, so we're really excited. Hopefully catch a bunch of Bonneville cutties today.
A bunch, don't you forget it.
Okay, enjoy the episode. Well, today I'm using my Dragontail Foxfire, at least to start. I may upgrade to the Mizuchi. We'll see if it starts opening up here, but she's got a little soft tackle Kabari on there. Skitty just caught an epic fish out of this pool, so hopefully I can get one out of here too.
They don't call us the Dragontail brothers for nothing.
Yeah.
We're over here representing. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Watch the tree on the left.
Shoot.
On the right. Good job, bro.
Holy cow, you gotta see the colors of this guy. I think that's the most pink we've seen in any one of them. Right where I wanted to cast it, so that's good.
On the Kabari.
Yep.
Heck yeah. I might even, if they're both productive, I might even swap too. Oh, dude, the
Look at that
cheeks. Love
I
that.
gotta get a picture of him. Holy cow, that might be the prettiest fish we've caught in 2 days.
If you need help, let me know.
Alright, we'll give you guys one last look before letting him go.
Kyle just caught one up the back of this
Look
pool.
at that.
So
Holy cow.
A whole half to go.
Even his dorsal fin is pink.
That's so cool.
Dang, that is pretty. Thanks, buddy. He ignored it. That cast may have spooked him, dang it. Oh, nope, he's still there. He's just to the left of this first rock sticking out. There we go. Oh, shoot, sorry, bud. That was a cool take. Hooks out. Easy, buddy, easy. There he is. It's a pretty guy. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, that was worth it. You see that butterfly right there?
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty.
Big.
Oh, there's a little. Oh, I see one. Finally.
See one?
Yeah, he's just past here. I don't know how I'm gonna get a. Oh, there's 2 of them in that pool.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
He's coming up.
Careful. He's. There you go. So I'm turning fully around.
Yeah.
That's a good
I don't know how I get a fly in there though. We'll see.
sweet if you get it.
Shoot, I think I'm gonna scare him with the cast. I have a big bead, it's gonna plop on the water. Oh, there's 3 of them in there.
Aha!
Yes!
Yeah, bro.
Oh, that was awesome. I thought that splash was gonna scare him, but it enticed him. That was cool.
That's crazy.
That was awesome. I think I might get another picture of this guy. He has so much pink in him too. Are there still ones there?
I'm pretty sure they got spooked away.
Probably, but
Worth a try though. That was freaking sweet, dude.
that was awesome.
Oh, good job.
Thanks. All right, that was an awesome catch. Almost 11 inches. He's a big guy. 6 and 5, oh, 4. Yeah, he's 10 inches. All right. Come on, buddy. Just let me show you off, and then I'll let you go. Look at that guy. Hopefully you guys can see him. Man, that's pretty. Thanks, buddy. Now it's Skitty's turn to get one. There we go.
Nice.
Oh, and he's out. Just give you guys a quick look and then let him go. Easy, buddy, easy. Look at that. So pretty. Let's see if it's better in the shade. Thanks, buddy. Oh, he came far for it.
That's cool.
So it was drifting probably 2 feet to his left, and he turned around and went down river to grab it. Yeah, that was awesome. Hopefully you can see it on camera. Oh, nice. Hook's already out. Won't even touch him. Thanks, buddy. That was cool. I love being able to sight fish. Like you said, when it all comes together like that, it's so cool.
More effort, but it's major payoff.
Yeah, that's cool.
Got him.
Yes.
Yeah,
That was cool.
that was cool, dude.
He came from deep. Easy, buddy, easy. Let me get you up here. Oh man, it came out of his mouth and it's hooked to his body now. Come on, bud, let me just get it. Oh, nope, it's still good. There was just a leaf on his body. Sorry, I'm like blocking you with that.
You're good, bro. I'm just looking.
Yeah, that I don't think I blew up the rest of that pool, so.
Oh, there's a trout right there at the surface. You see him?
Oh yeah.
He just came up. It's a dink, but he's still there.
Right over there.
Kyle just caught one, by the way. He's been kind of zigzagging.
Man, these are gorgeous fish. Those pink fins. Thanks, buddy. Oh, that's like right where he surfaced too. It was right there.
Yeah. Oh, he's flashing at it.
Is he? He likes it bouncing?
I think he did. That was weird.
I'll get out of your way a little bit.
see the silhouette of one. We got this one out of there, so that's awesome.
Hopefully. Actually, I want you to get one too. Oh, another surf. Oh yeah, nice. Hey, he's decent too.
Yes.
Nice.
I like have this tree branch here from me.
Yeah, I had to go way left to land him.
Figure out where to angle it.
Nice. Yep, you got him.
I'm gonna call that good enough to warrant your turn again.
Okay. Yeah, that's a decent one. And these dry flies are killing it. I'm glad I switched again.
We've only upsized our dry flies since too.
Yeah. Yeah, mine's decent size.
You notice they have spots in their eyes?
Yeah, most of them do, for sure. See if there's any more in here.
There goes.
Oh, one took it.
Oh, really?
He missed it though. I think he was small. I smacked the crap out of that tree.
There's a couple in the... Do you want to come take my spot?
No, if I catch him, I'll move forward a little bit so I can land him. I think that'll be fine.
Good little run. Oh. He's looking.
He's just a little guy. Guess I'll move back instead of forward.
They stand there just observing you.
It was perfect. Hey, popped out. Nice. Cute little guy. Thanks, buddy. You can go again.
That was a dink. You can't end on a dink.
Okay, fine.
We got rules.
Unless there's two. Unless I catch another one.
Got him.
Good call out. I was not paying attention.
No worries. You
Nice.
had him for probably almost an entire second before you hook set him.
Really?
Yeah, he took it, went down with it.
That's
and then he
interesting.
hooked set. There's one right here.
Is that the key? Is there?
Yeah.
Nice.
Throwing up flies.
That was a big meal for you, buddy.
Just a little one.
Might need my pliers. You kind of swallowed it.
Big one.
Nice. Oh, it is big.
Oh, I hope I'm recording now. Yeah, now I'm recording.
Oh, dang.
Oh,
Hate that.
well, just a hook set on a good one, guys, but...
There he is.
Just like remember for a split second, I was like, okay, I wonder who turn on.
Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh, oh, he's still on.
He's got my, there we go. He's got my lawn tangled around the,
Oh, he looked at it. Oh, he looked at it again. Did you see that? Yeah. He's not interested in it. That was like 5 times past him before he took it. That's crazy. All right, I'll let you go ahead. That's my second dink.
You sure?
Yeah. Stuck on his teeth. Pretty little guy. Nice full belly. Thanks, bud. Oh, yes. He's a good one. He's fighting. Got him. That's a good one.
Yes, it is.
Oh, nice. The tree almost made me lose him. There we go.
There's been a lot of fish over the
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good one.
Second after I caught mine that time.
Oh, that's a good size. That's my biggest. He's 11. He's 11. That's my biggest of the day. Alright, let's give you guys one more look. I might do two-hander with this guy. He's big. 11 inches. That's my biggest of the trip. Look at that fish. He's pink in his dorsal fin, his other fins, pink cheeks. Pretty fish. Thanks, buddy. Another one? You're killing it, man. There we go.
You like look to the left as that happened.
Yeah, I looked and because I looked back because I felt something on my rod. I thought it was too close to the back of the pool to get one though. Okay, he's big enough.
You can catch another one.
Yeah, this is picking up, so I don't feel so bad now. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for playing. Yeah, it's cool. I think I saw a little guy. I'm just gonna try to cast a couple times over here. Yep, right there. Oh, he's decent actually.
Yeah.
He's bigger than I thought he was gonna be. I don't think I'm recording either, but that's all right.
Yeah, the little guy's right here. He came out.
Yeah, that's the one I saw, and then he like ran out from the rock and grabbed it.
That's super cool.
Yeah, that was cool. He didn't want to let that little guy get it.
Yeah, they're hugging it. But I can hug right there. Perfect.
Yeah, it was a perfect little spot for him. Whoop. Oh, just in case I'm recording, I'll show this to you guys. Look how pretty that is. Thanks, buddy.
So you got a fish on the right and a fish on the left. You got multiple.
Oh, multiple on the right. Oh, there's a big one up left.
Your
If
best one's on the left.
I can get up there.
If you can get to those rocks without squeaking them, stay low and slow.
On the left side?
Yeah. Like if you just like hug those rocks and just like crouch, and then as soon as you see that rock that's kind of in the middle, you might be able to cast from that. Got him.
No.
Oh.
He broke my fly off.
Did it?
Yep.
Dude, tie another one on. He's not even moving. I'll wait. I'll wait.
Oh, he is still there. Yep.
You have to get this fish.
And it was perfect too. It landed right on his head and he went for it.
Oh.
Tiny guy. But we'll release him low and then move up a little bit.
The very first Bear River cut I caught in Wyoming was like that.
Was it?
Followed by like the last 8.
Oh shoot, I didn't smash the barb on this one. Dang it. Sorry,
But I
buddy.
had to go up and set camp. That's why after we had that epic day, I was like, we should go and catch a 10-incher. then it happened.
Nice. I gotta smash the barb on this one now. Oh, he's running into my foot. All right. I see a bunch of them. Which one's the biggest? Oh, I think I see a decent one up to the left.
Yeah, he would have been on the right side when I saw him swim up, but I don't know exactly where he's at.
I think I see him. There he is. I think that might be the same guy.
Yeah?
It looked similar size, so there might be two of them in there, but...
That was really cool to see from this like lower level.
Was it?
Because I didn't see him come up and take it, I just saw the disturbance on the surface.
Nice. Yeah, he turned and went for it. Look at that, guys.
Yeah.
He's a pretty guy. Thanks, buddy.
Redemption.
Yeah, my shoulders can relax now. I crawled like from way back there all the way up here. Jeez.
You could definitely get that little guy in the middle.
Yeah, I think there's a big... Oh, there's 3 or 4 of them. Dude, you cast at the same time as me. I'll bet we could get 2 out of here. I'll cast left right next to that thing.
Alright, Kyle and I are about to attempt a double hookup today. Alright.
You ready?
Ready?
Let me know when you're ready.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, shoot. You got one. Let's see if I can get one.
I ran out of batteries.
Dang. There we go. You did way better cast than me, so that was good. Oh, there we go. Double up. Oh, I almost got in the way of yours. Oh, yours is huge though. Nice. Oh, your battery died too, huh?
Yes, it did. Right after that hook set. Alright, it's a picture-worthy moment though.
Yep.
Yeah.
I can't even get him.
There we go. Sick.
That's cool. Thanks, buddy.
Oh, let me change the battery. Thanks, buddy. Get out of here.
Nice. Cool. It worked.
It worked.
Oh! What is going on?
Break them off?
Yes. I'm using 6X.
I'm using 5.
Maybe I'll switch it to 5. That was so cool how far he came out of the water for it.
I didn't even see it. I was looking down. I saw the very tail end of
He
that.
came more than halfway out. Oh my gosh. That's so frustrating. Well. Oh, that broke at my ring.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Interesting. So that's not even like wear and tear. Yeah, well, I'm going up to 5X.
I feel like I can see one. Yeah, I can definitely see one.
In here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Where do you see him?
There's one. He's kind of off at where the ripples kind of soften up from the next flow.
On this side or right here?
So you see the water coming in?
Yeah.
He was at the very end of that. He's pushed up just a little bit. I lost sight of him now.
Okay.
He might be... I think I see him now. I think he's right where... Like where that tree's kind of coming in between the rocks, and there you go. Oh. Got him.
Nice. I couldn't see it all. So I'm glad you called that
I
out.
thought the white thing in the water was your fly.
That's what I thought too.
Yeah. I was like, oh, he's gonna come up and turn around.
Awesome.
That was the one I saw.
That was a good call out.
That one's got a lot of patterns.
Yeah, that's pretty big spots on him. It's nice and fat too. That's good. Oh, easy, bud, easy. Pretty little guy. Thanks, bud. Oh,
Yeah, they do that.
just a little guy. What?
So they do that right before you get to the net. They just
They freak out, yeah. Sweet, he's out already. Thanks, buddy. Wow, look at his lateral line. Look how pink it is.
That's crazy, dude.
See if I can give you guys a shot of that. Thanks, buddy. He's a little guy, but I'll try for him. Oh, a bigger one ahead of him.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh no! Oh, I got him around it. Oh no! That was cool. Got the bigger one. Yeah. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty.
Heck yeah, bro.
Nice.
Hard to
cool.
beat.
It really is. Sight fishing for native cutties with dry flies.
Well, I would argue that we are more than what we caught yesterday.
Yeah, we
We've
probably
gotta be
are.
60 or 70 fish into this trip.
Yeah, we probably are at least 30 apiece. That sounds about right. Come on, buddy. There we go. Give you guys a good look at him before I let him go. And look at that guy. So pretty. Thanks, bud. Oh my gosh. I don't know what's going on with me lately. Can't get him. Whoop.
Alright, I lost a couple good ones too. Recent pools.
I'm gonna give you the next one because I've already missed two.
Nice. Same one.
Yep. Where'd he go? There we go. It's the same guy. I must have not poked him too bad.
No
Oh, I'll let you go ahead.
Yeah, let's see him too.
It's a good one. Big shoulders on him.
Love that.
Let's give you guys another look at him. Nice. Pretty fish. Thanks, buddy. Oh, Skitty just got one too. Awesome. Hey, it looks like a good one too. Nice. Whoa. Nice. Oh. Don't know where Skitty is. Still fixing his pole. Alright, we'll I'll give you guys a look at him. Look at that. Rosy pink cheeks. Some spots are even pink right there. It's pretty. Thanks, buddy. Another one out of that same spot. Awesome. Easy, buddy. There he is. Thanks, buddy. Another little guy. Whoop, whoop. There we go. Pretty little guy. Has some weird markings on him. I don't know where that's from. Hey everyone, thank you so much for making it to the end of my video. I don't even know how many fish we caught. Maybe 80 between the two of us.
Feels that way.
Between the two
Between
of
the
us.
2 days. Yeah. But yeah, for sure.
No, it's been awesome. We did have to grind a little bit at the beginning, which was okay. As the day heated up, we've caught more fish, and pretty much every fly we've used has caught fish. The dry fly sneaking up ninja style has been amazing, though. That's like
hard to beat that.
That might be the title of my video or something. But no, I'm so glad Skitty was able to make it down here. We always have epic adventures together.
Absolutely.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll put all the links from Skitty's videos and post in here as well. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.
That lines, everyone.